I hope that you guys aren't fed up with my golden experiment videos because I am in love with these paints and I feel like there's much more to come. Now, I would really love to go larger. I know a lot of people have asked me that, but I am not financially ready for that yet. I have started selling a few, but I need to sell many more to be able to really go big because these paints are amazing, but they are quite expensive. Now for today's video, now that I know that the golden high flow reacts more on its own than the golden fluid on its own, I can go back to mixing them because personally I really like a result that has a mix of both. You know, not too much going on and not like nothing. I like there to be some negative space and some effects. So I'll be trying different colors today. I got myself some magenta, which is the golden fluid. I'm going to be using the Mars Black, and I'm going to be using also, this is iridescent pearl white. It looks really like a metallics color, so let's see how this goes. I'll be using only the Liquitex pouring medium and the GAC 800. Now my ratios are approximately 3 parts of the Liquitex pouring medium, maybe 1.5 parts of the paint, and then 0.5 to 1 part of the GAC 800. So let me just set myself up here. I'll be working on a 10 inch by 10 inch small gallery canvas, and I am going for this. This is about 20 to 25 minutes later, and I cannot be the only one having an eyegasm right now. I am in love with this. Now, the iridescent pearl color, I can't capture it with the phone as well as I see it, but it's like silver and it shines and it's beautiful. I prefer this one to the titanium white. And the red is not red, it's much more purple. You guys are gonna see it when it's dried. Overall look. Sorry for my son in the background. Oh God, I love it. Alright, stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, and this dried perfectly. I know you guys have been hearing me say that a lot lately. And once again, that red, it's much more red on the camera. I'm telling you, it's magenta here. Really, it's more purple. And that iridescent pearl color, it makes it even more shiny. This painting is so pretty, I love it. Very girly and dark and sexy, right? Okay, so while I'm here, I'm going to show you guys the other one that I did. This one is a linear style painting. Oh, it's so cool too. And these paintings are improvised, which is why I haven't made a video of it yet. I don't think of doing it when I start. It just ends up that way. Oh, this one is so pretty. Alright, hope you guys like this. Have a good one.